Hello everyone, I am going to show you how to add digital databases to Schoology. First, in the Resources tab, you are going to click on Add Resources, and then you're going to create a folder. So, click on Add Resources, Add Folder. You will add a title and a description. The description could be the types of databases that you will include in this folder. And for this folder, I'm only going to include Abdo ebooks for now. So I will type Abdo ebooks and then click Create. Click on the folder that you just created. Then click Add Resources and add a link. Copy and paste the unique URL for your school's digital database that your rep gave you in the box for link URL. So I copied and pasted. That is wrong. Then the title, Abdo eBooks. Click the ABC paper icon to change to display in a new window. I found that the databases changed to require a username and password if you click display in Schoology. This may be a glitch with Schoology, or it may just be my computer, but it would not work that way for me. Click Add. You're going to repeat to add all the databases that you wish to choose in the same folder. This does sometimes take a minute or two because their folders are very large with the digital databases. Next, we're going to copy the databases from the resources to a course. There's two ways to do this. You can click on your courses, choose the course that you would like to add it to, click Add Materials, then you're going to click Import from Resources. Click the box by your digital database folder. Then click Import. You will need to click Import a second time. Your folder will appear at the bottom. You may move this folder to the top. The next way to copy your digital databases is to go back to the Resources tab. In the Resources tab, you're going to find your folder and click the gear, the icon on the very right side of your folder that looks like a gear, and you're going to click Add to Course. Choose all the courses that you would like to add this folder to, then click Add. This will load your folder to every course that you choose to add it to. In the folder, it should include the databases that you just added.